Botanical berry, avocado, scientifically known as Persea americana, is a unique fruit that is botanically classified as a berry. It belongs to the Lauraceae family, which also includes cinnamon and bay laurel. Nutrient-rich, avocados are incredibly nutritious. They are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce bad cholesterol levels. They are also a good source of fiber, potassium, and various vitamins like vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, and several of the B vitamins. Ancient fruit, avocado cultivation can be traced back over 7,000 years. It is believed to have originated in south-central Mexico. The Aztecs were one of the first known cultures to cultivate and consume avocados. Variety of types. While the Hass avocado is the most popular and widely consumed type, there are actually over 500 different varieties of avocados. These vary in size, shape, texture, and flavor. Other notable varieties include Fort, Bacon, and Pinkerton. Sensitive to frost, avocado trees are sensitive to cold temperatures and can be damaged by frost. They thrive in subtropical and tropical climates and are grown in regions like California, Florida, Mexico, and parts of Central and South America.